Hello, I'm back with the next chapter. Here is the list. You can see what we are going to learn. Chapter, we have already learned about the various kingdoms rose and fell. During that period, over the centuries, important political and social economic development had taken place. But somehow the social changes was not the same everywhere. Do you know why? Because different kind of societies were generally evolved differently. In this particular chapter, we are going to learn about several changes only, the different kind of societies that prevailed during that period in the medieval history. Like the first, we are going to learn about the tribes, nomads, and the settled communities. Before moving forward, we should know the Varna system. According to the Varna system, society has been divided into four main castes, that is the Brahmins, who were generally the priests or the teachers, then the Kshatriyas, who were basically the rulers and warriors, then Vaishyas, who were generally the merchants into the profession of merchants only, and then came the last one, that is the Shudra. Shudras were the unskilled workers. So these were the chain of Varna system, or you can say the caste system according to the Varna. Basically, the Brahmins are the most strongest caste which used to frame out all the rules or policy which has to be accepted by each and everyone. But there are several caste also, or you can say tribes, nomads, or settled communities which did not follow the social rules and rituals prescribed by the Brahmins. The Brahmins are the most strongest caste which used to frame out all the rules or policy which has to be accepted by each and everyone. But there are several caste also, or you can say tribes, nomads, or settled communities which do not. Now the question arise over here is how
Follow their
these tribes
rules.
obtain their livelihood. So they basically obtain their livelihood from the agriculture source only. Some became the hunter gatherers or herders, you can say, and most oftenly they just combined all these activities in such a manner that they can make use and try to make use of each and every natural resources available to them in their particular area in a best manner. Some became the nomadic also. Who were nomadic? Nomadic are the people who just move from one place to another. So they just control over the land and pastures. There are several large tribes also which are being prevailing during that period in different parts of the subcontinent. They are basically lived in inside the forest, hills, desert, or places which is very difficult to reach upon. Sometimes they just clash with more powerful caste based societies also. But the main one thing which is common to each and every tribe is that they have the separate culture and their freedom, as they do not follow the mainstream custom of the society. Now moving ahead to the next topic, that is who were tribal people. Initially, historians and travelers gave very less information about the tribes. The reason is as the tribal people did not keep the written records, but they preserved the rich customs and oral traditions. These were passed down to each new generation, and right now, the present day historians have started using such oral tradition to write their tribal histories on them. Tribal people were found in almost every region of the subcontinent, but the area of influence of a tribe varied at different point of time. Some powerful tribes controlled large territories, like in Punjab, the Kokhar tribe was very influential during 13th and 14th century. Later, the Gakhar became very important. Their chief, Kamal Khan Gakhar, was made a noble Mansabdar by Emperor Akbar. In Multan and Sindh, the Langat and Arghans dominate extensive region before getting defeated by the Mughals. Then the Balochis were another large and powerful tribe in the northwest. You can just go through this table in order to learn some important powerful tribes. Balochis were divided into many smaller clans under different chiefs. In the western Himalayas lived the shepherd tribe of Gadis. The distant northeastern part of the subcontinent too was entirely dominated by the tribes, that is, by the Nagas, Ahoms, and many others. And in many areas of present-day Bihar and Jharkhand, Chero tribe was emerged by 12th century. But the Raja Man Singh, who was the Akbar famous general, attacked and defeated the Cheros in 1591. Large amount of booty was taken from them, but they were not entirely subdued or finished. Under Aurangzeb, Mughal forces captured many Cheros forts and Chero has to work under Aurangzeb. The Mundas and the Santals were among the important other tribes that lived in this region in Orissa and Bengal. So this is all about the first part. Thank you so much. And if you like my videos, do share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.